Hello, everyone. This is Lelia from RinPac. Are you still worrying about how to make your product stand out from the crowd? As responsible cannabis product manufacturers, ensuring the safety of our customers, especially children, is paramount. These innovative tin cans are designed with special features that make them resistant to the curious hands of children, while still being convenient for adults to access. It also offers excellent protection against external factors, such as moisture and light, that can compromise the quality of your products. With their airtight seals, these cans help maintain product freshness and preserve the potency of your cannabis goods. Contact us today for more information and expert guidance on finding the perfect cans that align with your brand and product requirements. We'll be right here waiting for you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.